Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss function and inverse functions and functions over functions related topics. In this session, for IGCSE and O-level students, under the subject of O-level mathematics. In this session, we have this first question: fx is mapping to fx plus 3 and solve fx is equal to 5, f inverse is equal to x, and use f inverse x to find f inverse 5. Similarly for these other questions, so let's start. The inverse function of a function that maps all the values of fx back to their original x values. So inverse function actually reverse to gets value x value. So when fx is applied to this x, we get this fx plus 3. So solve fx is equal to 5. So in place of fx, we will write this fx plus 3 is equal to 5 and x is equal to half. So find fx inverse. So we just place in place of fx, we will write this y is equal to 4x plus 3, and then we will shift it to the other side. So 4x is equal to y minus 3, and then we divide it by 4, and we have this x is equal to y minus 3, and replace fx with f inverse and y with x. So we will write here x, and here we will write f inverse. So this is the simple procedure to write and get the inverse function. So using this inverse function, we have obtained it. Use f inverse to find f inverse 5. So f inverse 5 is this. So in place of this x, we will write 5, 5, 5. So we get this half. This is the check of part A. In the next section, when gx is equal to 6 minus 2, find g inverse x. So we will write this y is equal to 6 minus 2x, and we will shift it to this side, and x is equal to 6 minus y upon 2. We will write x here, and here f inverse x. So this is f inverse x. Use g inverse x to find this g inverse 4 and check your work by substituting your answer into gx. So this g inverse 4 is equal to 4, and 6 minus 4 divided by 2. So this gives 1. So g1 is equal to 6, 2 minus 1 is equal to 4. So we see this g inverse 1, 4 is gives 1. So g1 is giving this 4. So this check is correct, hence verified. When h is applied to hx is basically 3x minus 6. So we have to find h inverse x. Y is equal to, y is equal to 3x minus 6, and we'll shift it y divided by 3x minus 6. So x is equal to y upon 3 plus 6, or y plus 18 divided by 3. Now we will change variables. In place of y, we will write x. In place of x, we will write h inverse x. So in place of this h inverse x, in place of y, write x. And this is h inverse. H inverse y is equal to 9 minus 18. In place of this x, we will write 9, and we'll get this value 9. H 0. So in place of this x, we will write 0, and we'll get this 6. Similarly, when fx is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 5, find f inverse x. So we will place this y is equal to 2x plus 1 upon 5. So 2x is equal to 5y minus 1. So divide by 2, x equal to this. So we'll write here f inverse and 5x minus 1 upon 2. So this is the answer. So f inverse 3 is equal to 5. In place of this 3, we'll write this 3, and we have this answer 7. So 4 in f inverse 4 upon 5. Similarly, we have this. And when gx is equal to x minus 2 by 7, find g inverse x. So y is equal to x upon 2 minus 7. So x upon 2 is equal to y plus 7. So x is equal to 2 into y plus 7. So this is g inverse, and this is 2x plus 7. So here. So g inverse minus 4 is equal to 2 In place of x we will write minus 4. So this is the answer. So in place of this x we will write 12, and this will be 12, and we'll get this answer. When hx is equal to 12 upon x plus 1, find h inverse x. So we'll write this: y is equal to 12 upon x plus 1, x plus 1 is equal to 12 upon y, x is equal to 12 upon y minus 1, 12 minus y upon y. So 12 minus x upon x is h inverse. So h inverse minus 4 can be written down as minus 4, and h inverse 2 is 5. When fx is equal to 3x 2x minus 5, find f inverse 4. So this is simply y is equal to this and y upon 3, and finally x is equal to this one, and f inverse is this. We just shift it, and this f inverse 9 is this, f inverse 0 is this, f inverse 18 is this. When gx is equal to 7 minus 3x, y is equal to 7 minus 6. So let's y is equal to this, and then shift it here. 3x is equal to 7 minus y, x is equal to 7 minus y upon 3. So g inverse is 7 minus x upon 3. So g inverse 1 is this, and g inverse 0.5 minus 5 is this, g inverse this is this. Find the inverse of each of the function. F in x 6x minus 1 upon 3. So y is equal to 6x minus 1. So 6x is equal to 3y plus 1, and x is equal to 3y plus 1 upon 6. F inverse is this. So g inverse is this, and g inverse is this. So this is all simple. hx is equal to 6 upon 6, so y is equal to 6 upon 6. So x is here and y is here. So h inverse x is equal to 6 upon 6 is the same here. This is the same. F in 3x upon 4 minus 7. So y is equal to this, and x is equal to 0. F inverse is this, 4 upon 3x plus 7. And gx is equal to 4, 2x, y is equal to this, and g inverse is this. So this is all simple. So this is all simple.